I felt pretty, not ill, but just not well this morning. I'm not sure what that is, but I figured if I went for a bit of a bike ride and kind of just got out in the fresh air a little bit, might make me feel a little bit better. So I'm just preparing for that now, and I'm gonna go for a bit of a bike ride for a while. Bit of a bike ride, just gonna have a bit of fun and enjoy the sunshine outside. I think I really need this. I think I just gotta get out, clear my head, and that should hopefully just make me feel a little bit better. What a stunner day, man. I'm actually, no joke, 100% feeling so much better now that I've gotten out and done something that's kind of really definitely going to my long-term goal in trying to get over to Europe and race one day. Oh, good feeling. Heading out now to one of my favorite rides in Cairns, out to Barron Gorge, the power station. Actually, I haven't been out here for ages, so I'm actually quite looking forward to it. My favorite view of riding out here is when you come up this long, steady climb and basically you come to this section and there's a monster drop off down to the river, and you got the mountains, and it just seems like the most perfect scene of a movie, or I don't even know. There's just something about that as you come over that climb that's just pretty magical. And then you drop down and you've ridden to the power station. Chillax out of the gorge. It's such a good day for it. I'm so lucky to be able to just wake up and come and do stuff like this. I think it's so awesome. Oh man. And what the hell was that kayaker doing? It was so weird, but anyway. See someone new if you just sit around and hang out and observe. I'm gonna probably just cruise on home now. And yeah, I don't know. It's been good though. Really good. That was good fun. Good to be back home as well. So my stuff, gotta get this uploaded onto Strava. That's what I'm trying to say. Because if it's not on Strava, guys, it didn't happen. Remember that. I'm starting this new job tonight, which I'm actually pretty excited for because I haven't worked in ages. I'm just in the process of kind of getting ready and stuff, and we're heading off sort of shortly. Alright, I'm basically on my way to work. I just cleaned up a little bit. Time to go. That bike ride kind of took it out a little bit. Drained some energy from me, that's a good way of describing it. I'm gonna cruise in. I'm not sure whether or not I should be like scared or nervous or anything for this job, because right now I feel pretty confident. I feel fine. I just, like, usually when I start somewhere I'm always like, oh no, like I feel nervous and like I'm always a little bit worried, but something with this one, there's just nothing there. Alright, I've parked up, I'm ready to go into this new place. I'm gonna have a crack. I'm just gonna leave the cameras, not doing it, but yeah, no, I don't feel comfortable with that. I'll catch you guys in a few hours when I'm done. Guys, I survived. I have survived my first shift at this new place, and Mum has gifted me with like my favourite dinner of all time. It's like this gnocchi. It's fantastic. You have to try it to like understand the sensation that you get in your mouth when you eat this. But tonight was good. I'm super happy with it, and I have more shifts. So what can you complain about that? I didn't even know that made sense. It didn't, but I'm happy. I'm continually just falling asleep, and I'm like, it's not good. At the moment, I'm not really getting to bed anywhere before midnight. My sleep schedule's completely screwed. I'm working really hard to fix it, but it's almost midnight now, and I just feel like it's not. I need to sleep. Catch you tomorrow. Don't forget, if you want to go big, dream big.